Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to talk about if, elif and else statements in Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before going on to our computer screen and start the programming, I will give you a small explanation about what are the uses and why we use if statements for programming. So if you have ever played games like Detroit Become Human, Wolf Among Us, or even seen them, you must have seen that the game progresses according to the choices that the player makes. Now, in this case, the choices can be anything. A person may choose option 1 and another may choose option 2. In these cases, if statements are being useful, and not even these specific games, if statements are useful in every game development. For example, if the W is pressed, then the character should move forward. If S is pressed, the character should move backward, and that so goes on. And it obviously helps in choice games as well. So now you must have got an idea about if statements. I will explain about elif and else later into the video, but for now let's go to our computer screen and start programming. As you can see, we are on our computer screen, so I will fire up Visual Studio Code. I have already created a Python file here for our demo. It is here, so I will make it full screen. Yes. Now, for implementing the if statement, first we have to make a input command. For that, I will make a variable name QES, which is short form of question. We will write input, then enter name, basic enter name, and I will give it a colon to make it a neat one. Now I will make a variable named name1 is equal to beginner. Now I will make another variable as well named name2, which will be studio. Now we have created these three variables. Now I will explain what are their function. This variable's function is to ask the input from the user regarding the name, and the options you have are beginner and the studio. Now we will be writing the if command. If QES, at this moment we have to write equal to name1 colon and continue the code. At this moment, if you will write is equal to name1, this will be wrong. What you have to do is write equal sign 2 times, or it will think that the value of QES is equal to beginner. But we have to say that if the QES means the input is beginner, which is same as name1, then do the following command. Write name1 and we have to give colon. Now you can see here that it has left some space here. This is because we are in the if statement currently. We are no longer in the main command. We will write print hello, then I will come here, comma, name1, means it will display beginner if it is a beginner. Now we don't only have beginner in the option for entering here, we also have a studio. Now for making another if statement in the same command, you have to write elif, elif, and another everything else is same. QES is equal to, this time instead of name1 write name2 colon print hello, and instead of giving the variable of name, I will give here QES, and here also change QES. Okay, so we have created a basic if statement here. Now we will run it. I can run the Python file in terminal. Wait a second, 1 minute. Yeah, now I'll run the Python file in terminal, and we have to enter the name. I will give the name beginner, but it is giving a traceback error. That is because when I am using words here, then I have to include these these punctuation marks as well.
Few moments later.
So we are back, and as you can see that I have updated them with these punctuation marks. Now if I will run the statement again, if I write beginner, it will say me hello beginner. Now we have checked the first possibility. Now we will check the second one, which is studio, and it is given me hello studio. So by this I think you may have got the basic concept of if and elif statement. It is just like if it is equal to, then follow this command, and if it is equal to another one, then do this command. Now what happens if a person enters something else here instead of beginner or studio? Let us try that. We will write name. It has done nothing because there is no command related here with a name. I'll run it again. Right, YouTube. It has done nothing because it has no command. Means the Python doesn't know what to do if something else is entered except these two. At this moment, else statements come. It expresses by its name only, means anything else than the above will be done in this function. We will be coming back into our main function and write else colon print sorry, means there is no variable such like that. Now we will be running it again, and if I write anything, for example just even 2 letters, it will give me sorry, because anything else than beginner or studio that we have assigned there will be given as else. This was a simple and small video explaining about the if, elif and else statements in Python. Obviously we can use these to make good programs. For example, in calculator we will be using this. Next video will be upon how to make a calculator in Python. So by that we have came to an end in this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.